Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you 8 free tools for Unlock FRP in 2026 using the latest security patch method. If your phone is stuck on the Google account verification screen after a factory reset, don't worry. This problem is called Factory Reset Protection, also known as FRP lock. These free tools works on all devices and supports Android 14, Android 15, and even Android 16 with the latest security patch. Make sure to download carefully so the process works correctly on your device. If this video helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more mobile repair and unlocking tutorials. Now let's start the Samsung Vivo Oppo FRP unlock process.